How can you create communication strategy for your brand using AIDA model? It's a great marketing model and you can use it in sales strategies, digital marketing, PR and your interview also. So let's start the video. सब्सक्राइब करिए कॉन्सेप्ट्स वर्ल्ड चैनल को जिससे आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना करें. First we will see why we use AIDA model. This model basically captures how a consumer or buyer goes through different stages in buying process. At every stage, we need to target audience with right information and the right media channel. We have explained this concept with an example at the end for more clarity. AIDA stands for A, awareness or attention. So how will you generate awareness about your brand, product or service? At this stage, you need to find answers to questions like which media you will use, whether it is TV, radio, internet or something else to reach your consumers. What should be your message? This is very important because an eye-catching or impactful message generate attention or awareness. Now we come to second stage, which is I, means interest. Once consumer is aware about your product, then how will you generate interest? Because at this stage, consumer is also aware about your competitor brand. So you should hold the attention of consumers in this stage, which you have generated in attention or awareness stage. At this stage, you need to find answers to questions like how will you explain product features to your customer? Where this information will be available? Is it website, YouTube videos, brochures? What should be your content strategy on different platforms like website, email, social media, and many more? Third stage is D, which is desire. So once consumer is aware, he has shown interest in your product, now he should be willing to purchase it. So you have basically moved the consumer from liking your product to wanting your product. At this stage, you need to find answers to questions like why consumer want your product? Because of service or because your product is very good and he trusts your product performance. Why this product is best suited for customer who is now interested in your product. So here you will provide product benefits to customer. Last stage is A, which is action. So here you need consumer to finally purchase your product or service. At this stage, you need to find answers to questions like how should customer buy the product? Online, offline or both? Where should he call in case of any queries? These are the four stages which will help you to sell any product or service to your customer with right communication strategy. Consumers keep moving from one stage to another. So if he is in desire stage, he can move back to interest stage and then again move back to desire stage till the final purchase happens. There is a new letter added to this model which is R and it means retention. So here you will focus on how to retain your customer or convince him to buy your product again and again. Let's see AIDA with an example. Movie release happens every Friday in India. What is the objective for promoting the movie? More people should go and see the movie. Let's see how AIDA is applied here. How awareness is generated for the movie? To aware the consumer about the movie, you must have seen that trailer comes on TV. You also see a lot of social media promotions on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. 7 days before the launch, you can also see big posters in the city. Movie starcast also visit different cities and some popular shows like Kapil Sharma show to promote their movie. So all these things are done to generate awareness about the new upcoming movie. Once consumer is aware about new movie, then how interest is generated? Actors and actresses start promoting their new look. They also promote it from their social media handle. Trailer of the movie is also an element which generates interest. Sometimes the subject of the movie is very interesting that you can't miss it. Once you are interested in movie, when you finally decide to go for it, here comes the desire stage. You like the actor, director, producer too much and you don't want to miss it. You heard from a friend that it's a must-watch movie. Different movie critics give positive ratings and reviews for the movie. You don't want to miss the experience of big screens and the animations used. And last comes action stage, where you make plans with your friends to buy ticket and watch the movie. So here marketing person ensures that consumer should not have any difficulty in buying ticket from wherever possible. That is the reason you have option in both online and offline to buy the tickets. Like we mentioned earlier, there's a new letter R which is retention. Can you think of an example where you again watched the movie of the same actor or same movie plot? One of the best example is Bahubali, and it needs no explanation because at the end of first part, curiosity was generated for the next part. So this is how AIDA model can be applied to movie launches, and you can apply it anywhere. Let us know in comments if you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel so that we keep create quality content for you. We will meet in the next video.